Meaning of flawed.
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 Flawed. The word flawed refers to something that is imperfect or has a defect that hinders its functionality, reliability, or quality. When something is flawed, it means there is a problem that can affect its performance or effectiveness. This term can be used to describe a wide range of situations, from physical objects with visible damage to more abstract concepts like flawed logic or reasoning. Overall, something that is flawed is not reliable, and it is likely to fail or produce unsatisfactory results at some point in time.